earlier. Okay, so basically, it's a fight or flight response when you're faced with something. It alerts us to a certain danger or an impediment close by. So we're on our guard. So there's various levels to this to expect in the fight or flight response. It builds up, and then right here, as tensions strengthen, you can experience the flight or fight at this point. You have the adrenaline pumping. It's not debilitating yet. Maybe your heart rate's increased to the point where, you're starting to become noticeable. You're anxious, you're panicky, you're sweating, you're perspiring. You start to have that narrow field of vision. And before you know it, if you don't run at this point, and if you don't fight at this point, the threat cascade sort of peaks at this juncture right here. And that's when fright takes over. So fright is the peak of the threat cascade. So if you don't flee, and if you don't decide to fight at this point, and the fear becomes so real, this threat becomes so real, now it's fright. And now you know what? Everything from here is just a downfall. So it can even lead to syncope, fainting. People have experienced that with severely debilitating threat responses. It's like you freeze up. Like even though your heart is racing, you're standing there frozen. You don't know what to do. You don't know how to act.